searched code, even your browser. I got hands on this week. OpenAI shipped real-time voice agents. Anthropic's agent can click inside Chrome. Google leveled up image editing. And India announced a national AI backbone with big tech. Let's unpack what actually matters and how you can use it fast. Hey everyone, I'm Arthi. Every week I cut through the noise and bring you AI news without fluff. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a regular, you're the best. New videos every Sunday, 6 p.m. IST. Here's the plan. Top stories: OpenAI's voice agents, Anthropic's browser agent, Google's creator upgrades, India's AI backbone. Then a deep dive on Agentic UX, a short playbook you can copy, a quick bite speedrun, and a poll at the end. OpenAI launched GPT-realtime and upgraded the Realtime API. This is not a demo anymore. Think faster speech-to-speech. Image input in the same flow. MCP server support so agents can use tools safely, and even SIP phone calling so your agent can place and receive calls. Translation: you can deploy voice agents in real products now, not just toy apps. Real examples: a customer hotline that understands you, talks back instantly, checks your order, and texts you a summary. An internal IT desk that hears, "Reset my laptop profile," confirms identity, opens a ticket, and schedules a callback. What to watch? Latency. Does it feel snappy? Barge in, can you interrupt it mid-sentence? Tool safety. Are actions scoped and logged? Anthropic started a pilot for Chrome. Claude can now see pages, click buttons, and fill forms, rolling first to about 1,000 max users, with a public waitlist. This is the clearest step yet toward agentic browsing for everyday work. Here are a few use case ideas. Find the latest invoice in my portal, download it, and upload it to our finance drive. Or check visa appointment slots, fill the form, but pause for my confirmation before final submission. Safety matters here. Your browser is an attack surface, so keep permissions scoped. Add allow lists for sites and actions, and require one tap confirm for anything irreversible. Now, creation time. Google just juiced image editing. Google pushed a new model, Nano Banana, that boosts likeness-preserving edits and climbs community leaderboards. For editing quality, for creators, that means cleaner outfit swaps, more consistent faces, and faster style tweaks. Without heavy manual masking. Practical tip from my workflow: keep a reference folder for faces and brand assets. Write prompt templates with your palette and lighting. Batch generate. Then do a quick human pass for quality. And a massive move in India could reshape enterprise AI. At its annual general meeting, Reliance announced Reliance Intelligence, a new AI subsidiary plus AI-ready data centers, with Google Cloud and Meta as partners. Goal: national scale infrastructure and enterprise tools. Reports already call out Jamnagar builds and vertical apps across industries. What it means for you: lower latency for Indian users, faster enterprise adoption, and a wave of industry-specific AI apps in logistics, health, education, and finance. Let's zoom out. The real story is Agentic UX, AIs you can talk to that actually act and then show receipts. Why spotlight agents this week? Because OpenAI's real-time voice and Anthropic's on-page actions collapse the gap between telling an AI and it actually doing the task. But ability needs accountability. OpenAI and Anthropic also published a joint safety evaluation, cross-testing each other's models for misuse, sycophancy, and those sneaky failure modes that show up when AIs get more capable. The headline: power is up, but so are risks. Cross-lab tests and clear logs are now table stakes for agent features. Next, speed round. Your quick bites. Microsoft debuts in-house model, a smart hedge against single vendor risk. NVIDIA posts record revenue, data center demand still roaring. Noose Research Hermes 4 drops. Open weight reasoning stokes a utility versus safety debate. YouTube quietly tested AI video enhancement. Google says it's not Gen AI, but creators raised eyebrows. Google AI weather model nails an Atlantic storm call. Strong signal for AI in meteorology. The batch highlights parallel agents. Run sub-agents at inference to boost quality without retraining. Fun fact, researchers once disguised a robot dog as a Tibetan antelope to study herd behavior up close. The wild part? The herd accepted it. Robotics meets field science. And it actually worked. Agents you can talk to that can act, and a search page. That answers with video. That's where we're headed. This won't replace creators or teams. It raises the bar on speed, proof, and personality. Now, which superpower would help you most at work? A. Voice agent that books follow ups. B. Browser agent that fills forms. C. Email triage with suggested replies. D. All of the above. Vote now. And if you like No Fluff AI, hit subscribe. I'll see you next Sunday, 6 p.m. IST.